Hi everyone, my name is John, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can enhance your Azure Functions applications by installing and using node modules. There's a lot of great packages up on NPM. We're going to take advantage of one called datefns to format our dates because our product data here has dates in them. So to do that, we're going to go to the command palette. We'll open a new terminal and we'll type in npm install datefns. After it's done installing it here, we'll open up the package.json file. We can see we have a dependency now on datefns. Great. So now we can open up the product gets folder and open index.js. And we want to pull in a require statement here that will pull in that function package. So we can see now I'm going and getting datefns with require, and I'm saying I want to use the format function. And it's dimmed right now because it's not actually being used. So once I do that, we'll clear out the terminal at the bottom of the screen. I want to go down to line 6, and after I get the products, but before I return them with a status code of 200, I want to loop through those products and modify the dates by formatting them. So we're going to go ahead and do that here with a little for each statement. So for every product, we're going to go ahead and grab this product expiration, and then we're going to format it with a 4-digit year, 2-digit month, and a 2-digit day. Now we can run this project by either going and creating a new terminal, and then running func start, or we can hit F5 key. Let's go ahead and hit the F5 key this time. We have a debugging configuration out of the box. We can see the debugging tool at the top. And once our API is ready, we can come down to the bottom, hover over it, click on it, and we can now see our dates are now formatted with a 4-digit year, 2-digit month, and 2-digit day.